Hello YouTube, it's Richard with R.C.T. Travels. How are you doing today? Well, look what I woke up to today this morning. It is Saturday morning, December the 9th. I woke up to snow here in South Alabama. We don't get much here this year. I figured I'd take a little walk around the property here at base camp. Let y'all see the snow. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I had to actually call into work till about lunchtime today because of the fact I can't get out of the house. See all this right here? I can't even get out. There's my kitty. It's the one Taylor calls Hissy Face for some reason. She's out here walking with me. There goes my doggy. Dog needs a bath. But it's too cold to give him a bath right now. Okay, as I was saying the other day, on my last video I posted, I want to talk with everybody about my medical condition. I have what's called Crohn's disease. No, it is not contagious. You cannot catch it from being around me, stuff like that. It's a autoimmune, not an autoimmune, it's a chronic disease that affects the colon, affects your ability to fight off infections. Some people call it bathroom disease. You do spend a lot of time in the bathroom. But I will get up some more information on it, and I'll sit down and have a actual good little sit down talk with everybody on what Crohn's disease is, treatments. I take what's called right now Cimzia. With Crohn's, you tend to get other problems. There's the other kitty. There's Kissy Face, as she calls her. Kissy and Hissy. But with Crohn's, you tend to get other conditions also. I've had several bouts of MRSA infections. Had several hospitalizations. I have what's considered fistulating Crohn's. I'll get tunnels in my skin, fistulas, and every so often I have to have fistulectomies, stuff like that, where they go in, put setons, drains and stuff in and everything to drain it. But yeah, you can also develop rheumatoid arthritis, joint pains, all the other stuff. I go next month to a rheumatologist. But I will have a better video on it. But I figured I'd talk with everybody today. But this is snowing again. No, never mind, it's coming off the tree. Yeah. All right. I hope everybody has a great day. And I will talk to you later.